Hey everyone, it's me, Dave. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend time with me today and my day. So we are leaving for the Carnival Firenze let's see, today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're flying out in about 4 days. So I'm going to start packing today. I thought I would show you guys. We're packing it's 11 days on the cruise. We have 1 day in Orlando and 2 days after in New York. So 11, so 14. So about 2 weeks. We're going to pack about 2 weeks worth of clothing in this. We just bring one bag. We bring one carry-on of clothing. We bring one carry-on full of games and yarn and other supplies to have onboard activities for ourselves. And we each bring a backpack. So we don't check luggage if we don't have to. So this is so for about 2 weeks we should be able to pull it off for two of us. We've got our first thing, we've got our swim trunks. We've got some other undergarments which don't need to be on camera. And then I'm going to put in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. We are 5, 6, 7, 8. We are actually, our clothing was still, we just got back from the Firenze. So our clothing was actually still, technically still in the laundry bags. So they're clean. So we're up to 8 shirts. Let's see, 8 shirts. We've got some socks. See, it's got a 9th shirt in there. 9th shirt. Let's see, 9 or so. 10, 11. 12, 13. So 13 t-shirts in here. That's quite a bit for the two of us. We are both diamond, so we get unlimited free laundry. So we'll do laundry a couple times. So it's 14 shirts, a pair of jeans. I won't bring. Well, actually, I will bring jeans with because we're doing. We don't do the formal night on a ship ever, but we are doing some theater shows in New York. So I'll bring a dark jean that's like a dress for the theater night. And then 2 pairs of shorts for the trip. And maybe a 3rd pair of shorts. Again, we just do laundry a few times on the trip. We're good to go. Some more undergarments. Or, whatever. Boxers, whatever. We're all adults here, right? Anyway, so that's it. It's a 2-week cruise and a couple days in Orlando, a day in Orlando, 2 days in New York, packed. It's pretty easy. We'll wear our pair of shoes on. I might throw in our other bag with the games and the yarn. I might throw in a pair of dress shoes for each of us, possibly. But we just go bare minimum here. It's just easier that way. We do interior rooms. So, there's not a lot of space in the interior rooms. So that's it. Let's do it simple packing. So comment below, how do you pack? What's your packing style? If it's 14 days, are you looking at this and thinking, oh my God, how in the heck are you going to do that? Or do you pack as light as we do? Comment below. And we're heading on to the Carnival Firenze, like I said, there's just a few days. And there'll be all kinds of good content coming from that. So make sure you hit the dingy thingy, the bell, so you don't miss things. Subscribe, follow, like, tell a friend, all that stuff. And we will see you soon on the Firenze. Can't wait. Have a good day.